here editing a video for Friday. This is the part 6 of my full knife collection video. And the FedEx guy stopped by, and I had completely forgotten about this. Olight sent me another package. So this is the Olight Baton 3. Now, the nice thing about this is just a sale announcement. So this is a great little flashlight. Stick around after I talk about the flashlight and the sale. I got some big news. There's something else going on. I'll re-announce it by itself later. But first of all, Olight sale from the 24th to the 29th. They're running it. I have a link to it. I have an affiliate link down below for you to follow. So if you're on Full30 or if you're on YouTube, you know, you can follow it there. These are great little flashlights. I did a full review of this light. It's actually the one that's in my pocket. Actually, it's not in the pocket. I put it back in its case. It's in my pocket pretty much every day unless I'm just wearing a pair of shorts or something. It is a small little compact flashlight, multiple settings on it. You can see it's got multiple brightness settings. We'll walk it through the settings. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then it has a mode that is so dull, dim, you can't even really see. It's called Moonlight. So there's a 4th brightness setting. Then you have Turbo. Oh, sorry. You have Turbo, which is really bright, which is a 6th setting, and then as you saw, you have a strobe. So a full 5, 6 settings on this in this little flashlight, magnetically charged. But the thing is, the cool thing about it is, if you want to, you can take a magnetic charger and put it on. It wasn't the Olight magnetic chargers, but it comes with a case. So this case you charge up. It's like an AirPods case. You charge it up, you drop your flashlight down in it, and it charges it. Now mine should be pretty much fully charged, but you charge this and you can recharge that light like 3 times. Now it has a long battery life as long as you're not on turbo. Literally only charge mine like once a month maybe, and I'd use it a lot. So this would save you, if you were out in the woods and you were carrying this flashlight, you would be able to throw this in your pack. It's really not that heavy. It does add some weight, but it's really not that heavy. And then you have a way to recharge your flashlight several times. Even if you have a battery bank, that way you could use your battery bank for other things. You've got this with you. And like I said, it's self-contained. It's a nice little thing, uses a USB-C. And the flashlight itself is great. I constantly have this flashlight in my pocket. I'm not raving. You can go back and find my actual review of the flashlight. So now, here comes the cool announcement. On my YouTube channel, so even if you're on Full30, you should do this. You should follow, because I can't simulcast this to Full30. There is a 24-hour live feed for knife rights on the 3rd of December. There's going to be a bunch of different channels. We each have like an hour or 2-hour spot. And we're hosting basically a knife rights fundraising marathon, telethon on our YouTube channels. We're all going to be tied in together. Donations to knife rights will be taken. There's an email address, or there's an address where you can do that, and then you take a picture of your receipt and you send it to an email address, and that enters you into a big giveaway. Okay, so there's that knife rights, and that's a big thing. So if you're on Full30, what's knife rights? Knife rights is basically the NRA for knife owners. That's all I got to say right there. Everybody here should know what knife rights is. If you don't support knife rights, go follow Doug Ritter and start supporting, because they do a lot to protect our rights to carry knives. So here you go. Here's the announcement. During my slot of the marathon, I am going to give this away. So the deal with it's going to be that you have to show you're a subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, you just subscribe, and then you enter. And I am going to do it Zach's Stuff style. We are going to try to run this. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not gonna. That's not how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna give everybody everybody's just gonna dial in a number. So they're gonna count out a number. Everybody's gonna pick a number, and I'm just gonna hit random number generator and use a number randomly, and then whoever got that the closest is the winner. So what I'm gonna have is my moderators will have to help me. So yeah, guys, kind of scatterbrained. I'm literally trying to edit a video, but something cool came in. I already had it. I already know it's a good, viable product. And so why not use it as a giveaway to help my channel, help Doug's channel, And so what we're going to do is that's what we're going to do. Make sense? All right, guys. I love you all. Take it easy. Keep it clean. And I'll see you on the flip side.